In this activity, we will demonstrate why fire flame always point upwards. For this activity, we need candle and matchbox. Light the candle and observe the flame. We see that it burns upwards. All flame and fire burn upward. Now hold your hand above the candle flame. It feels very hot. Now bring your hand near the flame from the side. It doesn't feel very hot, and you can bring your hand much closer to the flame than from the top. This is because the air above the flame is far hotter than the air at the side. A flame is a region of very hot gas. Hot gas is always less dense, hence lighter than cold gas. As the hot gas is lighter than cold gas, it tends to rise up, and we have a flame that points upward.